Hello guys, welcome to Photography's Academy. So in today's training, we're going to be walking you through on how you can design a flyer using just AI. Just with your ChatGPT, you can be able to design an amazing flyer. Okay, so these days now, you don't really need 10 years of experience to actually design well. Okay, you don't really need, once you understand how to prompt and do the exact thing, we're going to be achieving the exact results. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can do that. So let's open our ChatGPT. So the first thing that we're going to do is to get the flyer that you want to duplicate or get something like close to. Okay, so you can download from Pinterest or Instagram. So that's the hint. You download a very nice flyer that you want to get something close to. So we're going to be getting a picture that is very close to. So if you're a photographer and you have not snapped yet, so ensure that when you are snapping, you snap a picture that has the same posture, okay, with the one on the flyer that you want to duplicate. Okay, get the one that has a close posture, okay, so that it will help to make the thing to look more realistic. Okay, so I've gotten this one. As you can see, it has almost the same posture, similar posture, but you know that they are facing each other here. In this one now, they are not facing each other, but you get the point now. They have almost similar posture, so that it will help the process to be very smooth and nice. So the first thing we're going to do now is to generate the prompts that will actually help us to get this exact design to be to something like this. Okay, look at that. Look at the design, the one that we got from Instagram. So look at the one that we generated. As you can see, it's almost the same thing, but different persons on them and different posture. Okay, giving you even something better. Safe. I think this one is something better. I don't know. You can tell us in the comment section the one that is more realistic. So the first that we're going to do is to generate the prompt. So how do we do that? First is we have a prompt for that. I already have a prompt for that. I'll be sharing the prompt in the group. So if you are not in our group, in our AI prompt training, so ensure that you are in the group. I will be dropping the link in the comment section so that you can join the group and get the exact value. So I'm just going to post it here. Okay, so add photo. So I'm just going to add this one that I downloaded to get the exact prompt, okay, to be able to duplicate something like that. So you click on it, it will load. Okay, so it will give you everything that you need, every of the details and the flyer that you need. So look at the prompt here. You are an expert prompt engineer. Analyze this image and generate a detailed prompt that can recreate a flyer design in this exact style. Okay, so it will analyze it and give you all the detailed prompts that you'll be needing to do that. So we have gotten the prompt. I will have our image already that I want to use to duplicate that. So what we're going to do next is that I've already copied the prompt here already. So let me copy it back. So let me go to my ChatGPT. So I've copied this prompt now. So what I'm going to do now is to go to my plus icon because I want to generate this flyer now to my own. Okay, I'm creating my own flyer now. So I'm just going to go to this plus icon, create image. So paste my prompt. Note, I added something in this prompt. Look at, I added something in this prompt. If you notice, this one stopped at create a Rosary Nigerian wedding anniversary. So look at that, create a Rosary Nigerian wedding anniversary flyer, as you can see. But I added a note, okay, because my own model is wearing red. Okay, so I want the flyer to be red. Okay, I want everything on the flyer to be red, to have a reddish interface, not a greenish interface. Okay, so look at this now. So it's suiting. So you just have to think like a creative. So there's no point using the same background in green when my model is wearing red. So okay, so it's better I change everything to red so that it will align properly. Okay, so that's the concept. So that's why I added this prompt. I added this extra note. Use the photo I uploaded to replace the one in the file. Okay, let me upload my image now. Okay, I'm uploading this one now. Okay, so that it will use it to replace this one. That's the concept. Anywhere there is green, replace with red. Okay, so I'll just click on generate now and watch it do the magic for me. All right, so look at the final result of what we got. So we got exactly the same thing that we opted for. Okay, so as you can see, it has transformed our image from this, okay, to this. Okay, so as you can see in our result, we now have this. Okay, so this is the final result. So you can click here and download. Okay, so you can just click here and download. So this is the final result. All right, so we have come to the end of today's training on how you can generate an amazing flyer using just your AI. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and follow us for more as we unveil more secrets on how you can transform your photo editing journey, your graphics design journey with just AI. Thank you and follow us for more.